Bakit unta mo sa akong work 2024? Muna among mga machine. Kana diha parking area, carousel. Wala pa sila, bahala na mo din. Basta kaya ako nag-video na ko dito. Hello! Wala na, umuha ko ba na? Kana diha 20 pieces of hatch. Ang hatch bulb breaker gihapon gikan sa Amsterdam. Kani siya hatch gihapon. Breaker gihapon na siya. Oy, listen to me.
I love you.
In Irish course pub, it's a different story about the machine. If you chuck your money in, then if you take out the money, it's just only a piece of paper coming out.
I don't know. I never been to
In
the
Irish
race course.
course?
I never been there for 3 months.
Oh really? Because my friend who is an old man, she said, "Have you been to Irish course pub?" No. So it's a nightmare. Because when you put your money in, when you take the money out, no cash, but only the paper.
Yes.
And I said, just like the casino in Christchurch, it's the same. Maybe it's a new management, I think. And she said,
He's been in race course road at the hotel.
yes, he's been. And he said, "No, it's horrible. It's a nightmare for me."
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And then I said, "Oh no,
What did he do? He's trying to get some money out.
yeah, he's trying to get some money out." And he said, "Oh, I don't like this paper." I went to the office and I said, "Oh, what is it? It's only paper I get from the machine." And this is an Indian one.